Hey everyone and welcome to Saw Auto and Unboxing YouTube channel. Today I will unbox for you this Paco Rabanne perfumes that I got at a discount price on Black Friday from TravelFree shop, that's Europe's #1 Bordershop. The perfumes are Paco Rabanne Man Classic, and Paco Rabanne Ultraviolet, both at 100 ml and below €30 each on Black Friday sale. I hope you will enjoy watching this unboxing video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I hope you will return for more unboxing videos. Have a great day. Bye.